It was your question. He had explained. Huh? Yes. It was your question which he had further explained. So it appeared to be his, but it is yours originally. Please.
So this question is from Muhammad, our brother Muhammad Sharif from Kababir.
Yes.
He asks يسأل بالنسبة هذا السؤال يتعلق بالآية التي ذكر فيها في سورة البقرة عن القرية التي أماتها الله 100 سنة. فيقول حضرة مولانا نور الدين رضي الله تعالى عنه قال في حقائق الفرقان أن هذه هي القدس بيت المقدس. وكذلك المسلم موعود عليه الصلاة والسلام قال في التفسير الكبير أنني أرى هذا هو التفسير الصحيح لهذه الآية.
You see, I believe that this verse speaks of Jerusalem after it was desolated by the invasion of a king. Nebuchadnezzar it was, I think. It remained completely desolated and ruined for 100 years. So, evidently, this roya, this kashf which has been mentioned in the surah in Quran relates to that. There is no other township in the history of mankind which answers perfectly to this description. For 100 years it remained desolated. But when it was rebuilt and rehabilitated, the people of that 100 years did not come to life. It was the township which came to life. Understand? This is the true answer to this question. Otherwise, if we go into the detail of discussion of this dream, I can infer from the dream itself, the words of the Quran itself, that it has to be a dream. It could not be a literal revival of a people who were dead for 100 years. So, as far as the history goes, it stands in our favor. It supports us fully. But the verses themselves indicate that it was not a literal happening, it was metaphorical.
He continues يستمر ويقول أن هذه هي التفسير الذي قدمه المصلح الموعود عليه رضي الله تعالى عنه، وأن اليهود والمسلمون والمسيحيون يتشاجرون وفي صراع دائم خاصة في هذه الأيام بالنسبة لبيت المقدس والقدس. فهو يقول نحن وأن اليهود يؤمنون أن لا يمكن أن يبنى الهيكل إلا بعد مجيء المسيح. فيقول ها نحن أتباع المسيح.
That's a different question.
Yes.
First of all, let him answer the first part, then I'll come to that.